subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has launched its new Nova series phone globally called Huawei Nova Y61. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Huawei Nova Y61 features a tall 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that houses an 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes 150-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Huawei Nova Y61 comes powered by unspecified octa-core processor paired with 4 or 6GB of RAM and 64GB of onboard storage with microSD expansion support. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 22.5W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 11 based on EMUI 12 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.28 by 75.8 by 8.94 mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's talk about the pricing details of the smartphone. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of the Nova Y61 smartphone at the moment, and we expect the phone to be priced around $200. And it will be available in sapphire, blue, mint, green, and midnight black color options. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova Y61 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog tips and for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.